rule of thumb is on an annual basis, hygiene your database. Hygiene your database. Basically, what you're going to do is do a data append. And a data append can be done by data companies. It can be done by yourself. You can do it all kinds of ways. Obviously, you do it yourself manually, depending upon how big that database is. It's going to take longer than it would to do it utilizing a data service. But in essence, what a data hygiene or data append does is take your data, name, address, phone number, email, whatever it is you have, and then they find the holes that's in that data and add back the data that is correct or more current. And it allows you to be able to maintain communication with your customers and prospects, because phone number changes, email changes, address changes, you lose that connection. You want to maintain that connection, and how you do it is through data hygiene. I recommend you hygiene that customer list, that database, on an annual basis at the very least. You do that, you're going to own that customer relationship even more.